How to reinstall Yoshion without losing the project. Reinstalling the app like Yoshion, a collage maker, without losing you in progress projects requires a careful process, as uninstalling an app on mobile device often deletes its local data. Based on the general mobile app behavior, the nature of singular collage editor app, Yoshion likely stores your project files locally on your device. But as we can see here, inside the Yoshion, you can see an option called your local data. So these are the options. There's read as, privacy policy, and share app. So there's not an exact option that's called local data or the gallery inside the Yoshion app. So that means it doesn't save your images or the finished product right over here in the app. If you want to save all the progress or the projects, what you have to do is immediately save the photo or the collage or the poster that you have made to your gallery. That's the safest thing. Which also means that uninstalling and reinstalling the Yoshion app without losing the projects isn't possible. So that's the information that I want to convey you through this video. So all in all, if you don't want to lose your projects, immediately save the product or the project that you have made. I hope this video was helpful and informational too. That's it for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.